Have you ever gone to a grocery store and felt nervous speaking English? Or maybe you know the words, but you just can't make the sentences. Well, today you are not just watching another video. You are entering a real grocery store with me. And if you watch until the end, you'll learn how to speak English confidently in any shop. This lesson will change how you speak English in your daily life. Let's go. Hello. Good morning. Thank you. This is my first visit here. I must say, your store looks very clean and well organized. When you give a compliment like that, your English sounds polite and confident. Actually, I came here to buy some fresh fruits. Before I choose, may I ask you a question? Are these fruits fresh today? That's great. Fresh food makes a big difference. Wow, these apples look bright and juicy. How much are they per kilo? All right. Please give me 1 kilo of apples. Using please give me is a polite and effective shopping sentence.